Hi everyone, welcome to my flipped classroom presentation. My name is Ashley Applebaum and my lesson is teaching third graders the main idea. Essential questions. Are you able to identify the main idea from a story? How can you look for the main idea from a story? Why is it important to learn the main idea? Here are the state standards. Determine the main idea of a text, recount the key details, and explain how they support the main idea. Edpuzzle class code. For my differentiation activities, I made each group of learners into objects from our solar system. So stars, the main idea is like a sky full of stars, and you need to pick just one. Matching topics and details, and we're going to draw a picture about the main idea from the class story New Style. Stars are also part of Bloom's taxonomy in that they are remembering and understanding the concept of main idea. They're recalling facts and defining. In addition, stars are part of the level 1 in recalling the depth of knowledge wheel levels. The second differentiation are asteroids. You are rock solid in understanding but need some help showing your thinking. Asteroids are going to watch a brain pop video and quiz about the main idea. They're going to make observations from classroom materials about the main idea. They can use technology to make observations and different materials that could potentially become a story, and how we would develop clues and details from different objects that we can essentially make our own stories with main ideas. Level 2 in DOK, understanding skills, concepts, relating different observations, and organizing our ideas. The third level of differentiation are my comments. They're very close to understanding but still have some questions about the main idea. Comments will compare two stories from readworks.org and assess the main idea. Comments will investigate what makes a main idea challenging or easy to find, demonstrating strategies with an online tool of their choice. Comments are applying and analyzing. In addition, they're part of the level 3 in DOK's levels of differentiation. In addition, using the TIMSS integration matrix, comments are constructive learners. They're able to guide and use knowledge for building new ideas. Galaxies are the fourth level of differentiation, and they're goal-directed learners. In thinking of terms in TIMSS integration matrix, galaxies are working without a lot of scaffolding, and they're able to create more knowledge from within rather than from instruction. In terms of our depths of knowledge wheel, they're creators, they're analyzing and assessing their thinking. They're extending their thinking. So I have listed here, create a personal story about a favorite hobby, food, or song interest using a text site. Create a way for your audience to, sorry, it's blocking. To know where is it? Okay, to know your main idea basically. So galaxies are creating their own story, and they will demonstrate how peers and as well as staff instructors will understand how they know their main idea. Thank you.